Me and Wiss are hiking here. Oh, she's gonna stop and smell the flowers. Get out of there. Come on. Good girl. Doing some bird watching. Seen a bunch of gray catbirds already. Couple warblers and a wren. Got the catbirds on video. Pretty cool. Wiskwa's excited. She can smell wildlife. There's a lot of stuff here at the nature preserve. Sandpoint Nature Preserve. Wiskwa's not doing the greatest. She keeps pulling and sniffing, stopping. Might turn around, try to get one more video of the birds before we leave. Come on. She's doing alright now, I guess. But past 10 minutes or so, this is what she's been doing, is pulling me. She's better when I talk a lot. But we'll see. Wiskwu almost got bit by a snake. Didn't see it. Luckily it was just a gardener snake and it slithered away. We're headed back to the car now. She's being much better. Walking right behind me, aren't you, Wes? She does good walking most of the time. This is a new park to her though. Some birds coming up now.